Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tucking into some Cornell Diehl Comfort blend, and that's what's going on at Noah's house. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the deck. It is a beautiful autumn, I'm gonna say evening. I think it's, no, I'm not smoking autumn evening. It's 5:30 on a Wednesday. Today started off at 42 degrees, and on my way home from work it was 79. Talk about some temperature swings. Anyway, today on the Noah's Take series, or the Tucking In series, I still haven't really figured out what I would name it. Maybe I'll make a little playlist. I'm really into playlists. But today, I'm going to be giving my take on probably a blend that recently has popped into my top 5. Cornell Diehl just had a sale, 20% off. Thanks. Actually, it's a pretty good deal. And I bought 4 more tins because I really like it. And what we're smoking is Cornell Diehl Comfort. Now this blend is part of the Serenity series, which this sale I got all but one blend because it sold out for a few hours and I placed my order. Then it came back out, but I'll get it next time. And I do believe that there are 4 blends to the series, and we'll go through them. In fact, I was thinking of making it be a cool little thing, the Cornell Diehl Serenity series takes. I got my book, got my cup of coffee. It was a good day at work. Not too stressful, nothing really bad happened or nothing really good happened. It was just a decent day. So I lit this a little bit ago when I was setting up my camera and all my stuff. You know what, I want to move this just ever, so slightly. Oh, there's Mr. Carl. You can't come out, Carl. We're filming a video. Oh, he's doing a big stretch, wagging his tail. A lot of wild cats in the property behind us, so they really bother him. So, Comfort blend. I bought this because of the description, and it just seemed like, you know, pretty neat. And I bought this, I do believe the original one, probably 2.5 months ago. And I didn't open it up straight away, but then I opened it up, and it's a little different, but I really started getting into this blend. Let me fire this up. And I did buy a pipe insert for Zippo. Not for this Zippo. This is a slimline. This was my great aunt's Zippo. And I like it because it's smaller. But I do have my grandfather's Zippo, and I bought an insert that's going to go in that. And these Zippos, that one and my grandfather, are like 50 years old. So, and I did carry this one in my grandfather's the whole time I was in the Navy. Today I am smoking out of my Ohio billiard, or my Ohio Briar, large billiard, rusticated on top. And if you guys didn't see my review on that, I'll leave a card for it right there, and a link to Ohio Briar in the description below. Give this guy a look. Small place, total hands-on, and beautiful pipe. All right, on to my take. Let's get the book out. Oh man, the book is filling up. Okay, Cornell Diehl Comfort. Bought it at smokingpipes.com. I bought a tin. I originally bought it. I originally bought it in May. And I did not open it and start smoking it until August. So I let it sit around for a while. I had a lot of other stuff going on. First time I smoked it out of my Briar large billiard. I was drinking a coffee. It was evening and I had my teeth in. Today, I don't have my teeth in. So the smell, it has an earthy, sour smell. And I know some people say sour. I don't mean like lemon heads, but just a sour smell, not like white vinegar. You know, I said it was a strong smell. It smelled like old fallen trees, kind of like sour fruit. You know, fruit's laying on the ground, like apples are on the ground. You walk through an apple orchard. Around this time of fall, this time of the year in fall, you get kind of that sour fruit smell. It had the little remnants of Red Man Chew. Had a little bit of cocoa and a little bit of chocolate tone to it as well. So it was really, really assaulting my nose. I was like, wow. The moisture was good. It was just slightly moist, and that's what this is. This is a new tin I just opened up probably 10 minutes ago. My first impression, I said it was smooth, it was cool to start, a bit spicy, very earthy. I said I personally would like some sweetness added. And when I first started smoking this, I kept thinking, maybe I'm going to add like a pinch of sweet tea to it. Or I'm going to add a pinch, just a little pinch of something sweet in there. I didn't, and it turned out I'm glad I didn't. Although sometimes I do think just a little pinch in there. I said definitely getting that nice spicy Perique flavor. I said halfway down it was very deep in flavor. The Perique is heavy in this blend, which is something I really, really liked. I like Perique. I said no bite. I did have a slightly hot bowl, but a lot of times I put my asterisks because sometimes I'll just start smoking fast, listening to a podcast or reading something. I said it was great with a cup of coffee. I said it had a slight cigar aftertaste, and it kind of does have a little slight cigar aftertaste. And I'm going to start printing out the blend notes from maybe straight from the website or whatever. So, because a lot of times I never write the components that are in the blend, and that's on me. I should do that. I said the bottom of the bowl was awesome. It turned into a deep chocolate, like cocoa flavor. So less spice and had a subtle sweetness to it. So this blend it starts one way and it just snakes its way down. And when you get to the bottom of the bowl, it's one of the few blends I can say it's just as good at the bottom as it is at the top. But I have found smoke it slow. This blend does not want to be rushed to where it's getting. If you smoke it too fast, it gets that little bit of just harshness to it, so to speak. I'm not sure. I think there's burley in here. I gotta look. And I smoked through this a good bit. I made a lot of notes. Don't read that. That's another thing. Guys, no, I'm just kidding. Day 2, I said I was thinking about this blend today. I said it is an odd blend, but it is enticing. It has a great thick smoke. And I said I still have that cigar taste. I go, but it's very satisfying. I said I still wish there was more of a sweet note. I kind of got past that, and I think it's because I was smoking a little too fast. Slowing it down, it did kind of start sweetening the blend up. Other notes, I said I'm really getting into this blend. I said I have been having it on the regular. The more I smoke, the more enjoyable it is. Now, we were camping up at Raystown, and I said while we were up at Raystown, I was smoking through some bowls up at Raystown as well. Very good hanging out by the fire, relaxing with this smoke it slow. And that's comfort. Honestly thought my lighter wasn't going to light. What kind of a video would that be? It's really good. You smoke that slow, and I'm still breaking in my Ohio Briar pipe, so it's not as sweet to me. But when I smoke this out of a more seasoned pipe like my Blakemore Briar, it burns a little more even, and there's a little more sweetness to it. The retro hail is nice. Now, I've read some bad reviews of the Comfort blend and the Serenity series in general. And people say it's dull. People say it's boring. Okay, I'll give you that. I wonder sometimes if people don't give things a fair shake. I've referenced the Pipe and Tamper podcast before, and they were reviewing Sun Bear and Palmetto Balkan. And they both said they were like, this can't really be a review because it just came out. And they said that, you know, they smoked some, but they didn't really get into the blend, really, you know, smoke it. And even my review here, and this is why I definitely write stuff down. Because when I first got it, I sniffed it and I was like, this is weird. And it took 2, 3, 4 bowls into it. And I really was like, wow, well, this stuff is different. And then it really laid down for me. And I really enjoy it. Like I said, about 4 more tins, just got them today. I don't know if I'm packed a little too tight. Oh, look at my thing here. But all in all, I say give Comfort a chance. Like I said, part of the Serenity series, if you go to smokingpipes.com and you type in, or you look through the Cornell and Diehl 10s, you can filter it down to the different series. Cellar series, this series, that series. And you can pick the Serenity series, and there will be 4 blends. And I think, it's right on the jar, because I actually put the label on this one. It says, a soothing mixture of Perique and Bright Virginias with a touch of cube cut burley and black Cavendish for a smooth, slow-burning smoke. Find solace in this Perique lover's dream. Definitely a lot of Perique, and I don't know what it is. And I said it in a couple videos, but the cube cut burley, I'm not a huge burley fan. I'm warming up to them, and there's definitely some burley blends that everybody likes, and I just don't like. I don't get along with it. But the cube cut burleys that are in like Crooner and a couple of the other blends, Military Force from J.M. Boswell's has cube cut burley in it. I think the cube cut burley burns a different way. It has a different flavor. It's not as cigarette heavy. People call it nutty. I'm not sure they ever smoke cigarettes. People are saying that. I'm not saying it. It's not nutty, but I just get a different sweetness with that cube cut burley, and I really like the flavor. So if you get a chance, get yourself a tin of Comfort. It's definitely worth giving it a try. Why not? Well, I hope you like this Noah's Take, the Tucking In series. Maybe that's it. Noah's Take, the Tucking In series. Because I don't want to call them reviews, because what do I know? I'm not a master blender, and I can't pick out all these different flavors. Well, hey, thanks for watching. Bye for now.